Hello beautiful people, you're most welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super welcome. Please check below, you see the subscribe button, click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Alright guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you a very wonderful face mask. You know, this face mask is gonna clear off all your acne scars and every other scars you can think about. Alright guys, so if you are super excited to learn how to prepare this wonderful face mask, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so I have here with me egg. I'm just gonna crack, just make a little hole at the top here. On this video we are going to be using just the egg white, so this little hole now will enable just the egg white to come out and then the yolk will remain inside. So you're going to gradually shake the egg into the bowl gradually until it enters completely. So as you can see, it's only the egg white that came out and the egg yolk is inside. The next thing I'm going to be adding is lemon. One of the best ways to use egg white in a facial mask for acne is to combine egg whites and lemon juice. The lemon juice loosens clumps of dead skin cells at the opening of pores and on the skin, and the egg white sticks to the clumps so that they can be washed off the skin. So guys, for this face mask I'm gonna be needing 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. Egg white can be used to make a facial mask that helps reduce discoloration of the skin caused by acne. Egg white mask also firms and tones the skin. The best way to use egg white on the face is to beat them very well into a foamy substance before you apply on your face. You're gonna generously apply this on your face. Most times you allow the first layer to dry off a little, then you add the second layer to make the protective mask a little bit thick and firm on the face. Alright guys, so now my face is completely dried. You can see how this has succeeded in shrinking my face. Don't worry about how shrinked your face may appear. The shrinking effect is not bad, rather it helps to shrink and tighten the skin pores. The dryness also will help in drying off the pimples on your face. I'm supposed to rinse this off after 15 minutes or 20 minutes, but I'm just gonna leave it overnight to completely dry off this acne on my face. Overnight is not recommended for people with tender skin. Even after rinsing off, my face is still slightly dry. The acne is completely dried off. So guys, I had to leave my face makeup free so that you can actually see the wonderful effect of this face mask. For most people, you might not get instant results. You might need to repeat it a few more days, but I guarantee you that this really works. Alright, beautiful people, hope this video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful.